Christoph Rieger, Head of Fixed Income Strategy at Commerzbank. Christoph, good morning. Thanks for joining us. How many more rate hikes are you penciling in?
We're penciling 2 more rate hikes this year, September and December. And by mid-year, they should probably also change the allotment mode, so also a tightening move then at the June meeting, although not a conventional hike at that time.
Are the bond markets already pricing this in, Christoph?
Yes, actually, pretty much. We have now the Ionia forward for year-end at about 175, and this should be the rate we will get if we get 2 more rate hikes to 175 then by year-end. So at least the very front end of the curve seems to be quite well prepared for such a series of interest rate hikes this year.
And can periphery Europe withstand a series of interest rate hikes?
Well, in the near term, certainly yes. If you look at, for instance, 5 or 10-year yields in Portugal, or even if you take Spain, you'll see that the real ECB interest rate expectation component of this yield is only a fraction of the overall yield. Obviously, the credit component is much more dominant and thus much more influential for financing conditions of the government, but of the economy as a whole as well. As the rate cycle unfolds, however, we certainly do see risks that the divergent trend in the EMU economies will intensify, and several studies also by the ECB point in that direction. In particular, if you look at the disproportionate share of variable rate mortgage lending in the peripheral economies, this also underscores certainly the risk for these economies if the ECB continues in its series as we expect.
Spain, Christoph, of course, is one economy which whose inhabitants do rely on these variable rate mortgages. We're just getting a headline, Christoph, from Elena Salgado, who says that Spain won't need a bailout. No surprise there. Do you concur?
Yes. Right now, everything is going in favor of Spain. The market has rediscovered trust into the Spanish government market, into the Spanish financial market as well. And we do see these trends continuing, at least in the near to medium term. However, major risks remain, in particular also for relating to the Spanish economy. So this spread tightening momentum that we see continuing for now does not look set to be a one-way street, but chances here look good that, yes, Spain won't need a bailout.
Christoph, thanks for joining us today. Christoph Rieger there, joining us live from Commerzbank.